Just a brief 2-hour drive from the relentless energy of New York City, the landscape undergoes a dramatic transformation. The towering high-rises and crowded storefronts of the metropolis gradually dissolve into a scenic expanse of rustic barns, rolling farmlands, and quiet, charming harbors. In this idyllic coastal enclave of Peconic, the frantic pace of urban life is replaced by a tranquil, slower rhythm that feels worlds away from the city center. Nestled gracefully within this serene setting is the North Fork residence, a home designed by the San Antonio-based architecture firm Flato. The estate is thoughtfully crafted to mirror and honor its pastoral surroundings, serving as a year-round sanctuary for its owners. The vision for the property was sparked by the client's desire for a humble, small-scale retreat where family and friends could gather, shed the weight of suburbia, and embrace an environment that felt reminiscent of a nostalgic summer camp. The residence is uniquely characterized by a trio of distinct, pastoral structures that are strategically arranged around a central courtyard. This central gathering node was reimagined from a soft, tree-covered sand dune, grounding the property in its native geography. A utility barn and studio anchors the northern slope of the property, while the main living barn commands the western periphery. Completing the layout, a guest barn, cleverly converted from an old car barn, alongside a swimming pool establishes the southern boundary, creating a harmonious and secure perimeter. In a nod to both efficiency and craftsmanship, the structural bones of the home were prefabricated in New Hampshire, a region renowned as a wood construction mecca. Once crafted, these foundational pieces were shipped across the water via barge to the nearby port of Orient Point. This maritime arrival was particularly fitting for a residence so intimately tied to the surrounding coastal geography, while simultaneously reducing local construction time and site disruption. At the heart of daily life on the property is the living barn, which the architects designed to fluidly adapt to the changing northeastern seasons. During the warm summer months, its slender, one-room-wide layout opens up to welcome cooling cross breezes, seamlessly dissolving the boundary between the indoors and the elements. Conversely, when winter arrives, the structure transforms into a cozy, protective cocoon that shields its inhabitants from the biting coastal cold. The natural beauty of the wooded, waterfront landscape heavily dictated the material choices utilized throughout the project. The design team focused on a palette that feels light and airy while preserving the rich, organic texture of natural wood. This aesthetic is achieved through a deliberate contrast of elements, balancing whitewashed pine on the walls and soaring gabled ceilings with deep, black-stained oak millwork, earthy concrete flooring, and rich soapstone features chosen for their natural tones. beyond aesthetics. A deep commitment to environmental stewardship defines the entire philosophy of the North Fork residents. The architectural team sought to tread lightly on the land by intentionally minimizing indoor gathering spaces in favor of maximizing the usable outdoor areas. By utilizing prefabrication to reduce material waste and implementing systems and appliances that operate entirely without fossil fuels, the home achieves a delicate balance between modern livability and true ecological sustainability.